Hello friends, this video is about how to prevent yourself from getting infected by coronavirus and what precautions you need to take when you go out of your home. Remember friends, we do not recommend you to go out of your house in this pandemic, but in case of any medical emergency or you need to buy any food products, you may need to go out of your house. These precautions are important because you may get infected and have chance that it can spread to your family members before you develop any symptoms. For preventing spread, you need to know how coronavirus spread. It is thought to spread mainly from person to person by respiratory droplet produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes. You can get contact to these drops through people nearby to you. They may be the carriers you may not be knowing. So, it's better to prevent yourself from getting infected. I have divided these precautionary measures into three parts. First, precautions you need to take when you are at home. Then second, precautions you need to take when you go out of your home. And third, precautions you need to take when you come home again. So let's discuss the first one, that is when you are at home. The first and foremost step is to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. It should be done frequently. You can also use hand sanitizers which contains at least 60% of alcohol. Then cleaning of frequently touched surfaces with disinfectant. Then you need to maintain social distancing at home also. If you have symptoms, avoid going close to family members, especially elder ones. This is for their safety. Then if you have symptoms like cough, fever or shortness of breath, get medical advice as soon as possible. An important point is to practice respiratory hygiene, that is, covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose the used tissue immediately. For fighting the virus, you need to increase your immunity. So, you need to have good nutritious and vitamin-rich food, especially vitamin C-rich foods, so that your immunity is improved. And last but not the least, patients having previous disease like diabetes or hypertension, they should not stop their medicines. They should take their medicines regularly. Then coming to second part, that is what precautions you need to take when you go out of the house. This is the most important part of this video. The first and foremost is to wear a mask. You can use any kind of mask depending upon the availability, like N95 mask or surgical mask or mask made from cloth. The next important step is social distancing. It means maintaining at least 1 meter, that is 3 feet distance from yourself and anyone around. Then you should go out to buy necessary things only. Avoid going to markets if things you need is available in the local shops nearby. Then avoid shake hands or any kind of contact with anyone. Avoid touching surfaces wherever you go. You can use hand lock position while you go outside. Example, while waiting in a queue in a shop. Then you need to maintain cleanliness around your home also. Like do not spit or do not throw anything on the road, especially your used mask. Then avoid visiting hospital for minor ailment that can be managed at home or on the phone. Then avoid touching nose, mouth and eyes with unwashed hands. Then the most important point is you need to obey healthcare workers in your areas like police or any other government officials who is serving for COVID-19 pandemic. Then what precautions you need to take when you come to home from outside. First of all, when you come from outside without touching anyone, directly go to have a bath. Next point is give the clothes which you are wearing for washing. And last but not the least, all the materials or vegetables you purchased, consider washing or rinsing it thoroughly. And after this, at your home, you need to take all the precautions that we already discussed. So friends, this was all about this video. Share the video among your friends and family members because all should be aware about these small but important points to stop coronavirus spread. Thank you.